Y'all, I dyed my hair Wednesday and we're gonna do a little style, a little simple crochet. I went to my local beauty supply and I purchased a few things. Just for the front part, like little bangs, I have the Shake and Go in the color OT 530. This is just their one curl braid. Interest, what did I say? Wheezy curls. Again, color OT 530. A little black and a little burgundy. So I only bought one pack of this, the majority of my head. I bought this Samba Natural Kinky Crochet. And this is just what it looks like. So it's kind of like, you know, may or may not cut it, not sure yet. But Samba. This is the color T1B Burgundy. So yeah, that's the name, brand, and the color. 5 packs of this. Everything that I purchased was $5.99. So I spent about $35 on hair. And yeah, I do have some black braiding hair here just for perimeter stuff. I don't really know my braid pattern. I'm gonna watch one of my old crochet.
Okay, everyone, let's get this show on the road. So I'm just spraying my hair down with water to loosen my puff, and I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. I am putting some braiding hair on these 2 perimeter pieces, just a little bit, not even a lot, very short, just to add some added stability to that braid. I don't even think I put any more in there, so yeah, I just did it for those edge pieces, which probably wasn't even necessary because I didn't even put it anywhere else in my head, just those 2 places. And then I continued to just do a braid and connected that one, and that was it. So yeah, just braided all my braids back and I connect them by 2. So I'll do 2 braids going towards the middle of my head, and then I'll turn it into a bigger braid at the end. So when you see next clip, you'll see. So I'll stop right there, and then I'll braid this one middle way, and then I'll combine both of those 2 braids. So that is the braiding pattern, nothing too special. I just connected each 2 sections into one, so I don't really have that many braids in the back, and I sewed up the ends, and that's it. So now we can start crocheting. this is where I started putting in those shorter pieces that I was going to use for my bangs. Now, you can see how short they are, and it took a lot. I had to do a lot. I did boiling water to loosen the curls, and then that was just taking too long. So I remembered I had this old trick that I used to do where I take flat irons and I just kind of straighten out the curls a little bit. This is synthetic hair, so you have to be careful not to burn the hair, but a quick pass a couple times in a few places will definitely extend the curl. So you'll see me doing that later, but yeah, you definitely don't have to do that. So instead of that, and towards the end, I'm going to show you that I basically ended up cutting a few of the samba twists in half, and then I would use that for bangs, but that will come later. Pretend like I like long hair, but I really don't. Shoulder length hair, because I don't know, it's so much easier to manage. It's not on your shoulders, you're not that hot. So I like a kind of calm shoulder length hair, and this is how I'm showing you all how I made my bangs longer. I took a normal strand and I cut it in half, and then I separate pieces off of that piece of hair, and then I just crocheted in just like that. And that's what I did for a lot of the bangs. That's why the bangs kind of look two-toned. I mixed it together so that way my bangs were a lot longer and touching my eyebrows, because I'm not a fan of short bangs. I need my bangs to be long, you know, good enough where I can see. So I'm just going to fill in a couple more of these spots. When you do have crochet styles, it tends to kind of slip backwards as your braids loosen. So I like to go in periodically and just, you know, fill in those braids. And I don't even think I did this style over a couple days, because crochet can be iffy, but this, it just took me a little time to figure out exactly what I wanted to do.
Perfect.
And this is pretty much the finished style. I mean, it's flowy and carefree, and it's just kind of wild. I styled it several different ways. I put like half in a ponytail and had the bangs out, or in a bun, or sometimes I did like middle parts, a side part. It just was so versatile. I really did enjoy this style. Definitely really liked it. Yeah, at night, how I basically prepared my hair for just sleeping is I use my super huge bonnet, and I don't know why I have to put my whole head inside the bonnet, but it's that big. And yeah, you just boom, you put the bonnet on, you wake up, take it off, shake your hair, and you're ready to go. Like, that is all. And yeah, so that is that. So this is some pictures of before I cut it even shorter, and that's one of the styles I was telling you about. So my favorite length was the length in this part right here, you can see. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know what you thought about the style. See you guys in my next video. Bye.